Alright, well let's get started on day 4. My apologies for missing the upload at midnight like I normally do. I totally forgot that I was doing this for some reason and went to bed, and then I woke up and was like, oh, that's right. I'm doing the daily advent calendar thing. So we're on day 5 now, so that's right here. This is the 5th, right? I'm not like one day ahead or anything. Yes, it is the 5th. Okay, so let's go ahead and lights, what are you doing? There we go. Okay. Alright, let's see, what do we have here? It looks like sled? I have no idea what that is. Okay, well, I'll just set this over here and open this under the table again like I did last time so that it doesn't overdrive the mic. Let's keep it out of sight there. There we go. And fix the focus. Actually, I'll bring the focus in a little bit. There we go. I've been trying to remember to use my watermark more because it also gives me a target for where I work on whatever it is that I'm working on. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started with this sled snowmobile thing. We'll start with this part, it's just that, and then you set that aside. Alright, and then we need the brown 1x4, and we need to put, oh, that's interesting, it's like a skating blade of some sort. Okay, interesting. Alright, and then this one will go there. Never seen this particular Lego either. Although I haven't bought much Lego recently. It's kind of expensive for somebody on my budget. But let's go ahead and keep... I'm going to bring the focus up just a little bit to where I'm actually working. There we go. Alright. And then one more. Come on, cooperate. There we go. Just because we've got an extra one, I'm just going to throw this third one onto the middle pin in that one. There we go. So there's those. Now the next thing we need are these 1x4 sort of beige-ish plates. And they're going to go next to each other. I wonder why they didn't just give me a 4x2. Oh well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put that like that. And then we need this blue thing here on the front. And then this thing here on the back. And I have absolutely no clue what that's supposed to be. So if you have any ideas, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Yeah, no idea what that is, but still a fun little build, and not as many spare parts as normally you find in these mini kits, just the one extra hockey blade or whatever that is. So yeah, if you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to help fund the other things that I do on this channel. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.